This week on Amazing Indians, we bring you solar innovations that are not only green but also unique. Innovations that are energizing India. Kartik Wahi offers solar-powered water pumping solutions to meet the irrigation needs of farmers in the power deficit regions of Bihar. 11-year-old Vedant Thakkar has successfully developed an LED power source from scratch by recycling his father's discarded laptop battery. IIT Kharagpur alumni Vivek Pandey and Devendra Gupta have designed a micro cold storage system that is helping reduce food wastage. And meet Matthews K. Matthew, who invented the solar mosquito destroyer to curb the menace of mosquitoes. The mighty Ganges, a lifeline of the northern Indian agricultural belt. Despite the abundance in water resources, these farmers in Bihar relied on an erratic power supply and diesel to draw out water from the pumps.
डीजल के बहुत ज़्यादा खपत है। गवर्नमेंट बोला था कि अच्छी सब्सिडी देने के लिए नहीं दे पाए।
ट्रांसफार्मर की कमी के चलते ही हम लोग को बहुत सारे जो मोटर चलाना चाहते हैं, लेना चाहते हैं, वो ले नहीं पाते हैं। तो ये तो हम लोग रिस्क मैंने एक नंगा तार ला करके रिस्क पर कर रहे हैं।
Bringing a smart solution to their problems are the solar water pump irrigation technologies by Kartik Wahi. He is the founder of Claro Energy, a company that is taking this greener irrigation alternative to various districts across Bihar.
When we were evaluating states to, set up our first demonstration unit, Bihar was an obvious choice. It's agriculture focused, one of the most fertile plains in the world. The power situation is terrible. There's a huge reliance on diesel powered irrigation. Most importantly, the water table in Bihar is really high, so which makes it, a classic case of utilizing, groundwater for irrigation. And enabling it using solar was, a pretty obvious choice for us.
With no operating cost involved and promising a reliable water supply, these solar water pumps are truly the game changers for the agrarian society.
This has about 38 solar panels of 225 watt peak each connected in series. So all these panels are connected, they're producing DC electricity and they are connected to something called a solar pump controller which is here in the pump house. 3-phase variable frequency AC goes into the pump which is inside this borewell, and from the borewell you can see this is the outlet pipe which comes. That's the surge tank, which from where you have distribution pipelines which are going to 3 different parts of the village.
Installing these solar pumps is an expensive affair, but Claro Energy offers numerous schemes so that the farmers can make that one-time investment.
The whole idea is that there are different segments in the market. You have the large farmers, you have the cooperatives, you have the small and marginal farmers. It's no one-size-fits-all kind of a situation here. There is a bunch of different business models which are evolving. The most obvious ones were subsidy-supported cash sales, wherein there was a subsidy contribution coming from the government and then a small contribution coming from the farmer. Subsequently, we've been working on lease-based models.
When there is no sunshine, you can store water because there is a fluctuation in the radiation, solar radiation. So the output of pump remain variable. I have this Claro Energy that you can rectify this thing, so you can improve the system.
With such community solar water pumps being set up, More and more villagers have access to sustainable irrigation practices.
बारिश तो होबे न करे, एकरे से पट्टा है हियां से हुआ ला खंधाला।
सुविधा बहुत है सर इससे, और खेत उत के पटावन के लिए भी सुविधा है। हम लोग मतलब 3-4 अथी कर लेते हैं, धान गेहूं मक्का ये सब उपजा लेते हैं इससे।
By promoting community use, you're actually, helping a larger group of people benefit from a single, pumping asset, without each one of them individually having to bear the capital expenditure towards it.
Karthik has already empowered more than 1 lakh farmers in the past 5 years. Anita Singh is one such farmer from the Nalanda district. Her mushroom farm is flourishing.
ये सोलर पंप जैसे ही आया तो इसको तलाशते हमने लगवाई, और इससे हम अपना पूरा अभी जो जितना एरिया में काम कर रहे हैं उसमें सभी प्रकार पर हर बिंदु पर उसका उपयोग कर रहे हैं। जैसे हमारा जो मशरूम का हट है उसमें पानी लेते हैं, जैसे पूरा घर का जो एरिया है उसमें हम अपना टंकी लगाकर पानी का यूज कर रहे हैं, साथ साथ तालाब में भी यूज कर रहे हैं, पटवन खेती का कर रहे हैं।
Karthik and his team have installed 1800 solar pump facilities across 14 Indian states, irrigating more than 20,000 acres.
Ultimate dream for me obviously is that if we can actually bring about a second green revolution, this time focusing mostly on irrigation in the country, primarily changing at a fundamental level how irrigation is done in the country.
Vedant Thakkar is no ordinary 11-year-old, but a boy with extraordinary talent. While kids his age like to spend their time playing games, Vedant's life revolves around wires, batteries, diodes and magnets.
When Vedant was at about 4-year-old, I got an electronic toy car from him. So when he saw the car, he was asking Papa how it is working, what is there inside the car. So when I went to my office, so he disassembled the car and he saw that there is some mechanism inside the car. So he was very enthusiastic, what is there in the car. When Vedant was slowly growing up, so he was always thinking of generating free electricity. So his passion was electricity, so he was always playing with dynamos, मोटर्स, मैग्नेट, LEDs, लाइट्स एक्सेट्रा।
छोड़ नहीं देता किसी चीज को, छोड़ नहीं, वो एक चीज पकड़ेगा तो उसको पूरा ही करेगा।
In his quest to innovate something useful for the country, the young genius broke new ground in January 2014. He developed an LED power source using his father's spoilt laptop batteries.
मेरे पास पापा के पास एक लैपटॉप था बिगड़ा हुआ, तो उसकी बैटरी थी ना तो बिगड़ गई थी। मैंने उसको खोल के देखा तो मुझे उसमें 6 सेल मिले 3.7 वोल्टेज के। तो उसमें से 6 सेल में सिर्फ एक ही सेल खाली खराब था, सब सीरीज में लगे हुए थे, इसलिए एक का कनेक्शन नहीं होएगा, इसलिए बाकी सब में भी वोल्टेज नहीं मिल सकता, इसलिए लैपटॉप नहीं चल रहा था एक सेल की वजह से। तो मैंने बाकी के 5 सेल तो काम कर रहे थे, तो फिर मुझे आया कि मेरे पापा के पास वो लैपटॉप की बैटरी थी।
Twice a year, Vedant would visit his grandfather's village in Gujarat. It was here that he witnessed the plight of the underprivileged children, those who were unable to study at night as they had no electricity. And this encouraged the little innovator to invent a free power source for them.
When people compliment me, encourages me that you had made this, that you are now helping the people at this age. We don't have to see the age to helping others.
While it just took 10 days for Vedant to make the ingenious light, he realized that there were no charging sources in the village. And it then struck him to use the most abundant renewable source of energy for this exceptional cause: solar energy. Vedant's father bought him a solar panel, which he then used to charge the cells. After 3 to 4 hours of charging, the light works for approximately 7 to 8 hours.
मेरे पास एक टॉय था सोलर पैनल से चलते वाला, तो मैंने पापा को बोला पापा मुझे सोलर पैनल ला के दो। पापा ने ला के दी, फिर मैंने इसको चार्जिंग सर्किट बना तो लिया, फिर मुझे क्वेश्चन आया कि मैं इसमें रिवर्स करंट भी जा सकता है, क्योंकि इसका हाई वोल्टेज और हाई एम्पियर था। तो उसके लिए मैंने सोलर पैनल में पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल में एक डायोड लगा दिया, जिससे रिवर्स करंट नहीं जा सके, और इससे मैंने इसका चार्जिंग सर्किट बनाया।
Today, the spirited youngster has obtained a provisional patent which will be live in a year. With his eco-friendly innovation, Vedant wishes to bring along rays of light and joy into the lives of thousands in rural India. A class 6 student of Shantinagar High School, Vedant spends a majority of his day thinking about ways to provide free electricity to the villages of India. Shy but ambitious, Vedant has received unconditional support and encouragement from his school.
Electricity, we know how difficult it is to get and how much we have to pay for it. So if he is going to work out in this process and going to make it free, so it's a really great thing. So from his work, what he is doing, he really is a beginning of a genius.
I am Vedant's friend. I think I am one of the luckiest boys in the world to have a friend like him. He is very intelligent and very interested in making electronic gadgets. Vedant has done very nice invention. It is very nice. It is useful for poor people.
Compassionate and driven, Vedant is an exceptional child who dreams of transforming as many lives as he can with his ingenious innovations. Young innovators Vivek Pandey and Devendra Gupta developed EcoFrost, a micro cold storage facility that runs on solar energy. And to save his fellow farmers working in rubber plantations from the mayhem of mosquitoes, Matthews K. Matthew invented the solar mosquito destroyer called Hawker. Their stories after the break.